What's up, you guys? It's me, Erick Glam, and welcome back to my channel. I am super stoked to be doing this video, guys, because I finally was able to arrange a time to get together with one of my best friends in this makeup industry. That's melissaleahgarrett. Girl, whatever you are, you know I love you. So guys, we finally agreed and basically coordinated with our crazy schedules to make this amazing collab for you guys. And what a better time to do it than now? That's Valentine's Day. So we celebrate love, we celebrate friendship, but in this case, we will be celebrating our beautiful friendship. That's basically amazing and full of support. And we're just so blessed to have each other in this amazing industry, guys, because just as much as there's love, there's a ton of hate. So if you don't have a strong support team by your shoulders, girl, you are gonna suffer. So guys, in this collab, we will be creating two different looks, two different styles. I will be giving you pro Valentine's Day, and Melissa will be giving you anti-Valentine's look. So if you guys want to see the makeup looks that we will both create, then keep on watching. But before we go on, I want you guys all to click that subscribe button down below and make sure you hit the notification bell button so you guys don't miss any of my videos that I put on my channel with so much love and all the good things in the world. Okay? And also subscribe to Melissa's channel too. Okay. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So getting started with this look, we will begin using my Jeffree Star Cosmetics Beauty Killer palette. I love using this palette because it has a wide variety of colors that are especially good for more specific looks or more dramatic looks. So we will get started with this pink shade right here, which is Star Power. I love using that pink, because it is very buildable. It does have a good amount of pigment, but it's also very blendable too. So you can begin with very little product just to give you a subtle pink, but you can also build it up to create the intensity that you like. So we will get started with my fluffy brush. We're just gonna coat the brush enough with powder, and we're gonna start carving a new crease slightly above our original crease, because I have hooded eyes. So for those of you who have hooded eyes, make sure that you carve your crease slightly higher than your natural crease so that you can actually see it when you close your eyes. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so to give our eyes a little bit more dimension, a little bit more depth, we're going to intensify it a little bit. So we're going to put a little darker pink color right on the bottom part of the new crease that you created over your eye, just to give your eyes a little bit more definition, a little bit more depth to it. So for that, we will be using our Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, one of my ultimate favorite palettes. And for this purpose, guys, we will be using the shade called Love Letter, which is a very intense purpley pink, which will be perfect for creating that degradation, a little bit of depth into your crease. Okay guys, so now that we finished putting all the eyeshadows on our new crease, we're going to begin to carve it and give it the cut crease look that we are trying to achieve. And for this purpose, we will be using my favorite concealer from Tarte, the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light. Seriously, one of my ultimate favorites. So we're just going to carve out the area that you want to be the crease, the cut crease. So let's keep going. Okay guys, so once you finish putting the concealer on your eyelid, and as you can see, you gave your crease a little bit more definition. You made it a little bit sharper, and it's perfect because that's the look that we're actually trying to go for. So to set the concealer, you can use translucent powder or your favorite eyeshadow. In my case, I will be using my favorite highlighter of the moment. I'll be using my Platinum Eyes palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and we will be using this pink color right here that's called Pink Chill. It's a beautiful iridescent pink highlighter that has like a very subtle pearl whitish tone. So I think it'll be perfect for this look. So we're just gonna put it right on top of your lid just to seal the concealer. Alright guys, so to give this look a little bit more extraness, if that's a word, we're going to be doing something a little different that I haven't done in a while, or actually at all. I haven't done this trick at all, but I've seen a lot of YouTubers and a lot of makeup artists use this trick. So because I don't have colored eyeliners, I'm going to be using a liquid lipstick to achieve that look. And I will be using the color Diva from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I think his lipsticks are pretty much the best out there, and I've seen a lot of people use his lipsticks as eyeliners too. So we will be using this color, guys, as an eyeliner, and we will be creating a sharp winged eyeliner. So I'm pretty excited to see what I can achieve with this, and you just got to be very patient. We will just be putting the product on an angled brush to try to create that wing. So take your time, guys, and just enjoy the extraness that I will be giving you today. Okay guys, so just to close up all the colors we'll be using for this eyeshadow look, we will go back to our Jeffree Star palette, and we will go with Star Power, this gorgeous and super intense pink, and we will just put it on our bottom eyelid to basically make it the same as the top one. But for this one, just put a little bit as close as you can to the waterline, just to make it very subtle and very blended. Okay guys, so we're almost done with this look. Just to be very fair to this amazing eyeliner that I created, I don't want to put any falsies on because I don't want to take away from the eyeliner. So I'm going to be using my natural eyelashes, and just to give them a little bit more dimension, a little bit more seriousness, I will curl them up and I will put some mascara on. Of course, we'll be using my Tarte mascara. I'm obsessed with it. And we're going to see what final touches we can add to it, because I'm pretty sure I have something hidden under my sleeve that you guys will be stoked. So keep on watching, guys. Okay guys, so we're almost done with this look. So to finalize this look, we're going to add a little bit of blush on our cheeks, and we will be using my California blush from Benefit Cosmetics, one of my favorite brands that I've been using a lot this year. So we'll be putting that on our cheeks. Then we'll also be using a little bit of highlighter. We will be using the Jeffree Star palette as well, and we will be using the same color. We'll be using Pink Chill. And also, guys, a very final and special final touch, we will be adding freckles, glitter freckles to our cheeks, and we will be using this glitter that I got from Glitter Addict, guys. This is a Valentine's special that I received. It is so pretty. These glitters are chunky glitters, but they come in the shape of hearts, so it'll be a very nice and special touch for this Valentine's Day look. If you don't have this glitter, it's okay. You don't have to do the freckles, but because I'm extra, I will be doing this for you. Okay, you guys, so this is it. This is the final look, and I am very, very pleased with how this look turned out. I have never used a liquid lipstick as an eyeliner, so this was a little bit of a challenge, but I must admit that it's not as hard as it seems. So I am pretty excited about this look. I decided to go for a very pinkish and girly Valentine's look because this really does fit my personality and the type of makeup that I like. So I am really excited to see what Melissa has in store for you guys. Remember that this is part of my collab that I did with Melissa. She did an anti-Halloween look, and of course this is a very Halloween look. So we got a little bit of a freckle thing going on here with a little glitter, fantasy cut crease with just beautiful pink. So I am very pleased with how this turned out. I really do hope that you guys liked it as well. So as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys. Drop a like, a comment down below, share this video with your friends and family, and be sure to check out Melissa's anti-Halloween look as well. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you have an amazing Valentine's Day with your family, friends, and lovers, and I will see you guys on the next video. Curl them up also. Oh, fuck.